Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Now, ousted president of the Trinidad and Tobago Football Association, William Wallace, is celebrating Wednesday's victory handed down by the High Court in the Twin Island Republic, where Justice Carol Gubin dismissed FIFA's application to move its case with the TTFA boss and his vice presidents to the Court of Arbitration for Sport. The court also refused to stay proceedings between the two parties. Speaking with TVJ Sports earlier this evening from TNT, Wallace expressed satisfaction with the ruling.
The lawyer went to the and said that we are having mediation, which is all the lawyer did say, that we have arrived at the point where we would have mediation and they are setting up the mechanism to facilitate sale. And that's it, and that's the reason they gave. They talk about confidentiality. I mean, this is a public matter, and we arrive at the point of mediation, and at least we have to inform the public. We would have had to go into the court to tell the court also to stand down the matter. So it would not have been something that people would not have known. So I don't know why that is an issue.
However, the ruling might come at a cost, as a FIFA Secretary General Fatma Samora warned previously that FIFA will not continue with the case should the TTFA win at this stage and will instead implement sanctions in line with their statutes. We asked Wallace whether he feared that the Soca Warriors may be banned from international competitions.
The initial point that we were making, that the action taken by FIFA, although there are things in their statute that they can take such action, but the way it was done, there was absolutely no communication with us, nothing, zero, since we got into office. We only want to point it out the very reasons that they cited for telling the normalization committee, stuff like that. And we think it was total injustice, and it wasn't done for the reasons that they gave. And therefore, we decided to take the matter to court. So we are still holding on to that. That's our point, and we are going with that.
The decision by the Port of Spain High Court further dents the credibility of FIFA's Normalization Committee, which was announced on March 17. The decision that immediately annulled the election of Wallace and his vice presidents just 4 months earlier. FIFA said its decision was based on concerns regarding the financial management of the local football body.